Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to invite guests on your board in Monday.com. So for example, if you're working on a project and you want to invite other people on the project, so this is the way that you can invite them on your board. So the first thing you have to open your board, you have to go here to workspaces, and then when you're here on workspaces, you can open your board. So if you want to invite the guest here on this board, what you need to do, you have to click here on these three dots right here, and then you have to go down and go here to change board type. And then what you need to do, you have to click here on change to shareable. So once when you do it, you can invite them and grant access to this board. That's completely up to us. And shareable boards are visible only to subscribers. People who access this board without subscribing will no longer have the access. So you have to make sure of these two things, and then you have to click here, change board to shareable. And you can see right here that the board has been changed to shareable. Then what you need to do, you have to click here on invite. And here you go. Once when you do it, you will have a special window right here. This specific window is for these guests that you want to invite to your board. So that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.